Hey, Rhode Island hunters, trappers, anglers, and sport shooters. We'd like to say
Thank you.
Hunters and sport shooters provide funding for wildlife conservation through the purchase of firearms and ammunition.
Excise taxes on this equipment are collected and distributed to each state by the federal government and used to conserve land, care for habitat, restore wildlife populations, and much more.
In 2023 alone, Rhode Island received over $7 million in funding for wildlife restoration through this program.
Hunters, trappers, and anglers purchase around 70,000 licenses, permits, stamps, and tags each year.
with your help, DEM has protected thousands of acres for wildlife in Rhode Island, continued our research and monitoring efforts, helped to fund graduate research projects at the University of Rhode Island, and continue to provide hunter education and wildlife outreach opportunities for the public.
Without the contribution of legal and responsible hunters, DEM would not be able to conserve and protect our state's wildlife.
On behalf of the state's wildlife and the places they call home, thank you.